The United Kingdom is a country in the northern area of Western Europe. It consists of four parts: England, Wales, Scotland and Northern Ireland. The citizens of the UK are usually referred to as British or Britons. However, when asked about their national identity, some Britons call themselves English, Scottish, Welsh or Northern Irish. At the beginning of the 20th century, the United Kingdom was a worldwide colonial empire, which included almost one-fifth of the land surface of the Earth and nearly one-quarter of the world's population. The areas of the British Empire were so vast that the phrase "the empire on which the sun never sets" was coined because the sun was always shining on at least one of its territories. Today, the UK is a multi-ethnic society. Everybody has a right to be treated equally. Most British people are white and Christian, but the country has many other ethnic groups and many other religions. A significant number of British citizens descend from Africa and India. Often they follow the teachings of Islam, Hinduism, Buddhism, and Judaism. Many British people like to think of London as a world cultural capital. Nearly 9 million inhabitants live in London at present, and over 250 languages are spoken there. The city boasts numerous cultural attractions such as museums, galleries, festivals, and other events or venues.